Hi, I'm Emratich. Attacking with short pimple rubber is an old style, but it is still very effective in modern table tennis. Look at Liu Guoliang. His pen hold with short pips on the forehand dominated the world. For women, Zhou Xintong showed how efficient this style can be. Fast, direct, no hesitation. Today, players focus more on inverted rubber, but short pips give you something special. Speed, flat hit and pressure. Now let's learn how to use short pips on the backhand side. First, step forward when you hit. Don't stay passive. Short pips need forward intention. If you stay back, the ball dies. Second, fix your elbow. Stability is the key. Your stroke is short, compact, and precise. If your elbow moves too much, you lose control. Third, feel the contact. With short pips, the sensation is very clean. You don't brush too much. You hit more. This feeling is very pleasant when you understand it. Timing is important. Move forward and delay slightly at the top of the bounce. This gives you better control and better placement. Before every shot, read the ball. Identify the correct contact point. Short pips are sensitive to position. If you are late, you lose everything. Keep your wrist stable. Don't overuse it. Power comes from the body and timing, not from flicking the wrist. Learn to wait. Feel the power building before the contact, then release forward.
Zhou Xintong was born in Shenyang, Liaoning on January 1st, 1993. She plays with a fast attacking style, utilizing forehand short pips attack and backhand blocking style. Zhou Xintong excelled in various events at the 2013 National Games. By finishing 5th in singles, she earned a spot on the national team. Zhou Xintong's style embodies the current trend of forehand and backhand loop techniques. Adding side spin to his backhand loop creates a significant threat. In matches, Zhou Xintong mainly employs forehand loops and saves backhand loops for serves.
Zhou Xintong 在比赛中很少倒板，反手偶尔会用正交横打，质量也非常高。
Prior to the 2012 London Olympics, Zhou Xintong was assigned to practice with Zhang Jike and Wang Hao in the Chinese men's table tennis team. While the combination of long backhand exchanges and short pimple forehand attack is highly uncommon in today's men's singles matches,
Step forward more when hitting. Fix your elbow when you hit. This sensation is really pleasant. Move forward and delay the rise slightly as you hit the ball.
过来，然后上升前期稍微等一下，这个点就是说是比较稳定的。
Identify the correct position for each ball before brushing it.
等一下去刮，对，对。
Ensure your wrist stays steady.
手腕固定，
Sense the power while waiting.
使劲，等，对，这个感觉，对，
This feeling.
等。拱也叫刮，一定要是把球托住了，然后呢要有一些突然性。
After supporting it, let the racket drop. Its grip strength will decrease.
倒了以后。
After hitting the ball, the stability is quite good during the rebound. When making a straight shot, I think both the front and back fingers need to apply some force. When holding the ball and aiming for a horizontal shot, use the thumb and back fingers.
要有一个提的动作，如果对方的球发的转，你提的就是给的劲儿要大一点。
However, the force shouldn't be too strong. It requires a gentle touch.
然后如果要是发的不转的话，就直接可以往前。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.